Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode on Lumber Capital Log Yard. We're opening up this kiln after we loaded it last week because it is ready to go. But don't just take my word for it. We're going to see what the moisture meter says. This is the moisture meter that Nyle Kiln recommended we use for an accurate reading, because if you guys know anything about moisture meters, you know that the cheap ones don't work. But this is a nice one, and the price tag definitely says so as well. So this is really nice. You're gonna learn a little bit about it with me here. See, you actually set it for what species the wood is, which is really cool. You see that it's already set for red oak, and this is some red oak right here. So let's just press it in and see what it reads. Looks like about an 8. It's not too bad. I mean, it can be anywhere under 12. So yeah, that stuff is pretty dry. You want to try and stab it in there as best as you can. It can be a little tricky, but especially with a thin board, you don't have to worry about it too much. The thicker ones, on the other hand, it's a little bit different story, but this thing is really nice, and it will even beep if it's over the moisture that it should be. If it's not quite dry yet, it will actually beep, which is pretty cool. Yeah, lots of different settings on this thing. Like I said, you can change it for whatever species you're testing. It's pretty cool. So this stuff is dry and ready to be ran through the planer. I'm gonna take a board out here, and we have to run it through the planer now. So one piece at a time, I guess. It's a lot of walking, but. All right, now what we're doing is we're actually doing full length boards. So these are not gonna be for the packs that you guys have seen. If you guys haven't seen that, make sure that you catch up on some of the previous videos. But this is all going to be for in-store purchase, although it will be available for viewing on our website, of course. So we're gonna start up this machine and run a couple boards through. So what we just did here is known as S2S, which is surface 2 sides, instead of S4S, which would be surface 4 sides. So it's the 2 sides, we just didn't do the edges. So part of what we're going to be offering is S2S. All of the packs, all of the lumber packs that you guys have seen on our website available for shipping is S4S. A lot of the stuff that's going to be available for purchase in store is going to be either S2S or skip planed, which is just kind of like a rough planed material. something in between not planed at all and completely planed, if that makes any sense. You guys can look up what skip planing means for yourselves if you guys want a more clear definition. But this is going to be kept at its long length. We're not going to cut it up short, and it's going to be available for in-store purchase. So let's take a look-sees in the actual store, because we have our wood shop right here, and then just a couple feet away is the actual store. So we've just been organizing and reorganizing, and we took all the lumber that was in these racks all out and we reorganized it, and we're gonna be putting different stuff in here now. This is all gonna be kiln dried, available for in-store purchase with these long lengths, everything that you see here. This is gonna be all different species. We have, this is cherry. We're gonna have, a little bit of poplar, soft maple. We're gonna, of course, hopefully have some walnut, and then of course, red and white oak. So we have some hickory, I think 2. This looks like our soft maple here. Might get some hard maple in too. But yeah, so some of this right here, like this board, you can see it's a little skip planed there. It's all good stuff. And of course, there is a discount for shopping in store. So if you prefer to come in, expect to pay a lower price, of course, in store. But if that is not an option for you, it's only $5 shipping, regardless of where you are in the US. So it's worth getting it shipped to you if you are far away. So yeah, we're excited about this. All hands on deck in the wood store today. We have a lot going on, trying to just figure out how to organize it all. And now that we have another batch coming out of the kiln, we're gonna have another one getting put in there soon. Hopefully with the forklift this time, you guys, seriously. I'll of course let you know when we get that up and running. As far as our climate control system goes, we do have that all hooked up now. That just got hooked up today, and Grandpa's been trying to figure out, the thermostat, which is this huge thing. Have you ever seen a thermostat that big? Me neither. Before I let you guys go, here is a sneak peek at the prices per board foot for in-store purchases. Here we have all of the different species, as well as what the quarter sawn prices are for our oaks. As you can see, it's fairly good prices per board foot compared to what you get some places. It's definitely really affordable in store. So make sure that you guys stop by if you are local. It's definitely a deal that you get. Plus you can browse and really touch it. That's what I hate about ordering, is you can't really get a good feel for what it is just by a picture. I always love going and feeling the product for myself, especially before ordering something, but you don't always have that luxury. So shipping is very convenient, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not hating on it too much. But yeah, so if you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section. Other than that, I'll leave you guys here. Thanks for watching today's video, everyone. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Other than that, we'll see you back here next time. Bye.